Hello everyone, good afternoon. Friends, I have received several requests to provide the source code repository for Grafana tutorial on my channel. Of course, I understand how important it is to have access to the implementation code for better understanding and following along with the practical tutorial. So that reason, I'm releasing this patch video and I'm showing you how we can implement this source code from GitHub repository, how we can get the code from GitHub to our local machine, then how we can run these shell scripts and how we can log in that Grafana, Prometheus and node export. So let me show you guys. So here you should have some prerequisites. One, duplicate and unzip. One is duplicate and one unzip. So the remaining everything, it will execute automatically. Just you have to run that. If you run one file, automatically the file will call all related files. So let me install first. Let me install that duplicate and unzip. So I'm install. Yes, sorry, this one. So I'm install VA. No need. Already we have installed VAM in that. Yes, unzip and duplicate. These are enough. These are enough. Yes. Close this one. No need. Now, guys. Okay. Now. So what I'm doing that? Yes. Just wait. I have to do some changes. Yes, guys. After installing these two packages, now what we have to do? We need to move. I mean that you have to move my repository. Okay, this is my repository. I'll upload, or else I'll give this link also in the video, in this video description. I will provide this link in the video description. Just click on that. So once you click on that, yes, you will be here. Now just come here. Now once you enter into this repository, just click on that code, then click on this download link, download zip by mouse right button. Click on this one, just then copy this link address, then move to your Linux server where you are going to installing this Grafana Prometheus and node export. So already I have installed a duplicate and unzip because those are very important, because we are going to downloading this zip file and then we have to extract. For downloading, duplicate is required. For extracting, unzip command is required. Now be in the OPT folder, LL, and now duplicate. Yes, now paste that URL. Now successfully we got it. Now unzip the main. See guys, we have extracted. Now you got this repository. You got this repository, that file, source code files. Now be in the repository. I mean that is source code directory. Yes, these are the files. Now what you have to do? What you have to do? See guys, already. So I have given permissions. Here already I have given permissions to all these files. For executing, we need to be executed this one default packages, and Grafana we are going to installing, Prometheus we are going to installing, and node export we are going to installing. Just itself, once you run this file, automatically the file will execute these all commands. So now what we have to do? If you want to execute this file, you should have permissions. So that reason, chmod +x Grafana Prometheus file. Now we got permissions. Now just run this file. Which one? Grafana. That's enough. You need not install manually one by one. So automatically this file will call this file, and Prometheus will call, and the node export will call. Before that, first of all, it will install default packages, then it will install Grafana, then it will install Prometheus, then it will install node export. Okay. Yes guys, just now I'm hitting enter, and it will take a couple of minutes, maybe exactly within 5 to 10 minutes it will go over. Okay, then we can access from the dashboard. Yes, I have applied that enter command. Guys, please wait for some time, maybe approximately 5 to 10 minutes. That depends on your hardware resources and the internet speed also, because it want to download and it want to extract and then it want to execute that for starting service and all. So overall it will take 5 to 10 minutes, or else maximum 5 minutes we can finish within 5 minutes. I'm pausing this video. Directly we can see in the dashboards, on the Grafana dashboard, Prometheus dashboard, and the node export page. Yes guys, successfully we have installed node export and Grafana also. Grafana Prometheus. Yes, this is for Grafana. Copy this one. Sorry, copy from here. Move to your dashboard. Yes, paste here. Grafana is ready. Open one more new tab. In the same one. Yes, 9090 for Prometheus. Ready. The same one for one more for a node export. Paste here 99100. See guys, successfully we have executed by shell scripting. So this is what guys, from here you can continue with the previous video guys for configuring what is that dashboard or data source, and adding the server to monitoring in the Grafana. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you one and all. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Guys, this is my mail ID and WhatsApp number. You can ping me, or you can message me if you have any doubt. Okay, I'll give that explanation, and I'll try to resolve that issue. Thank you guys. Thank you for one and all. And please don't forget about like, sharing, and subscribing guys. Thank you for giving your support.